In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Canva. Hi everyone! If you've switched email providers, want to consolidate accounts, or just need to update your login for security, this walkthrough will make the process quick and simple. First, open Canva and log in with your current account. You can do this on a web browser or in the Canva desktop app. Make sure you already have access to the new email address you want to use, because you'll need it to complete verification in a moment. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner and click your profile icon. This is the small circle that shows your avatar or initials. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to your account controls, where you can manage personal details and security. In the Settings page, find the Email Address section. Click the Edit button next to it. For security, Canva may prompt you to confirm your current password or verify your identity. Follow any on-screen prompts so the system knows it's really you making the change. Now type in your new email address carefully. Double-check for any typos, since this email will become your login and the place where Canva sends important notifications. It's a good idea to use an address you'll keep long-term. After you submit the new address, Canva will send a verification code to that inbox. Open a new tab or your email app and look for the message from Canva. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute in case of delays. Some codes expire quickly, so keep the window open and be ready to copy it. Return to Canva, enter the verification code exactly as shown, and confirm. When the code is accepted, your email change will be saved. You may be signed out on some devices, and that's normal. Simply log in next time using the new email address. If the code doesn't work or you didn't receive it, use the option to resend and try again. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're part of a team or organization, certain account details might be managed by an administrator. And if you originally signed up with a third-party login, like a single sign-on from your organization, some options may appear differently. And that's how you change your email address in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.